Hello. What you doing?
Trying to build an affordable plasma cable for people.
Oh, I think people might like that, actually. Your stuff came in?
Yep.
So this is a little peek at the said plasma table.
Possible, yes, sir.
Wow.
Don't know yet. I have not confirmed whether this will work or not. But
Did you get the fuel tank in?
fuel? Yes. 1 second here.
That's pretty cool already. You just got home not too long ago, too.
Yeah. I think it's pretty easy to put together. I'm just hoping I can adapt it over to do what I want. That's kind of the plan.
Yep.
My goal is going to be, I'm trying to do, well, I would love to have it so a feller could, basically this size, be able to cut with a plasma for, I don't know, under $1,000 with a plasma cutter. Kind of what I'm hoping.
That's extremely affordable compared to what it costs.
Mine was cheap to build, but the electronics is what's so complicated. So I'm just trying to make this, a feller would buy one of this. This is actually a laser cutter. So,
Oh, you did buy that one.
yeah. So essentially you would have, however this is supposed to go on. But anyways, it'd be a laser cutter. But instead of mounting the laser on it, I would mount the plasma cutter. So that would make this a pretty affordable setup, I think. Like,
And pretty user-friendly, you think?
I'm hoping. I'm going to try to do that.
I'm sure you'll let us know.
So Joe Blow can just, buy the parts, and I just want to have a nice list for somebody, and then they can kind of put stuff together.
Make their own.
Thought. Yeah.
Cool. Well, you've been thinking about that for a long time.
Yeah. I think this is the easiest way, because you buy it and this thing should just work out of the box. So I want to know if I can just modify a few parts and make it very user-friendly that way or not. We'll find out.
Stay tuned.
If it doesn't work, at least I'll have a cool laser engraver.
Neat. We'll just engrave everything. Is it mail call today?
Well, we got something. I got Dave Butler sent us something, so I want to
Oh,
send a big thanks to him. He sent us a few bits, some brake parts, and I know there's a letter already in here. And well, I won't go through the letter, but
yeah.
anyways, he sent us some goodies. So we got, it looks like some socks for you, I think.
Cool. I love socks.
And then we got that brake thing, some dog treats,
Dog snacks.
and he sent an Appleton, I think it's an Appleton, like a spotlight.
Wow. Oh, I love that.
So that's pretty cool.
That is very cool.
So he's got that, and it looks like it's almost spanking new because it's got all the hardware, everything, and the instructions in there.
Wow. Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Thank you.
Very nice. We appreciate that a lot. It's always unexpected, but it's always appreciated also. Hello, Pablo.
You want to inspect the treats right away?
Did you want to have a treat?
You want to
Because
inspect the treats?
it's not going to work for you. Pablo says thank you too. Right?
Slowly. I think this is the last step of our floors.
Wow.
Yeah, I gotta now.
Trunk is coming
pull
along.
the body. Gotta pull the fuel tank out. I have the fuel tank.
Well, would you look at that? There it is. I'm going to try and get a good shot of that. Yeah.
Not bad, eh? What do you think? You don't carry.
That's a pretty nice fuel tank, eh, Pablo?
But I'm thinking I can hide my air compressor, my tank, my everything behind this panel. So what that means, I think this is the most spacious trunk I've had in any of my cars.
But is there going to be room for luggage
Okay,
in
put spare
there?
tire, a few
Spare
parts. Look how much room's
tire,
behind the seat.
tools, parts.
There's room behind the seat.
I mean, I'm going to buy an extra large duffel bag. I'm going to get a duffel bag on wheels. That is actually way more room than I expected.
Yeah, once there's a tire, I don't think we need a lot of parts with a few things and stuff. I mean,
Yeah.
whatever, half the trunk will be full of junk, but
Yeah.
I mean, there'd be a panel separating the two,
Okay.
but like
That's a
this
lot
is-
of room.
From here back is actually quite a bit of room. For these, I'll just probably throw like a little, one of those little donuts just in case if we have to. We always have our CAA and stuff anyway.
Yep, we sure do. Don't leave home without CAA, that's for sure.
Right?
Right, Pablo?
Mopey? Right, Mopey?
It is so warm out today, everything is melting. And then big storm tomorrow.
Yeah, that's the way she goes.
Enjoy that.
Yeah.
I'll be heading south.
Yeah. I'm gonna
Anyways.
get back to this. I'm gonna lift the body off, and then I'm going to be able to start welding that floor in.
Hi,
I'm gonna
Pablo.
try to do some body braces.
What do you think? You gonna supervise?
And that's what he does.
I think he wants more treats, actually.
That's what he does. Yeah. You always like your treats, huh? We got tons here. Look
Yeah.
at this. I have one of these. It's, from the trucker Bob stash there.
Wow. That's a crunchy one.
Hey, that's all you get. You
Yum.
don't need any more. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna back at her.
Okay.
Well, guys, Esther's out on holidays, so it's just you and me. And we're just going to do a little random things. Esther's not around to film anything here, so we're doing a little bit of work on the Napco. You can see there's some transmission leaking, and there's a little bit of an oil puddle drop. So I want to see what that is. I got to work on the rear brakes. They're not working great, so I'm almost got a feeling that prop valve is bad, but I don't know. I'm gonna have a better look at this and see what's happening first. Then, what else? Yeah, I think that's about it for that. Anyways, we got lots of other things going on. I have working on a video to do a homemade CNC thing for you folks. But right now I'm playing with this laser feature of it. Because it seems kind of neat. Look at that, eh? Anyways, we're going to lift this up, have a look underneath, see what's going on. I have a funny feeling some of it I'm not going to be able to fix till another day, but hey, let's lift her up and see what happens here. Well, we went through, I just re-bled the brakes. Wasn't going to take anybody for that ride. It's pretty easy to do on these trucks though, because I put the master under the floor, so basically we can just tug the thing and then we can go crack our bleeders. So anyways, we did that. That should be good. Everything's a little moist under here, but it's nothing really from the front that I see. I noticed my power steering looks like it's got a little dribble happening. So, But over here it looks like it's coming in from behind the torque, and we got behind the engine. So I guess when it got hot, I guess it got hot, and it's just shame on me. I should have done the seal on the back of the motor. So I got to do that. So while I'm at it, I may as well replace the seal behind the torque, because it looks like that's the one sort of leaking. It's just moist enough everywhere that it's making a mess. So there's not much I can do there. Just kind of is what it is, I guess. Anyways, I think that's about all I got to do on here. We should be good. We'll find out when we go take her for a spin tomorrow, but yeah, so far it's been a good truck. I'm pretty happy with it. Like, super happy. Anyways, we'll drop it down. Should be good to go. We'll top up the brake fluid, and then I think that's it for this one. And not sure what else we're going to do yet. All right, I need a rear wiper. And there's really not very many choices of things with rear wipers out here. We got an Exploder, and we got that Tahoe. So, guess which one I'm going with? You betcha, Tahoe. We got equipment. I'm just gonna cut it out, and I'll see you guys back at the shop here. You thought I was joking when I said I was gonna cut it off. Well, this might be a flop. I think this turns the wrong way. In case it works, though, I'm throwing it in the truck. This is not the prettiest of ways, but all I did, well, I screwed up the first time. I cut the wrong side. I just gutted this thing, so this is going to sit in the same place. This is going to be here. It doesn't quite have the same throw, so I'm a little worried about that. Yeah, and it seems to turn the wrong way, so I'm not sure what's going to happen here. Anyways, yeah, all I did is I carved the back out. I was able to bolt the one side. I tried welding, then I realized this is pot, doesn't work, so we just viciously just put a couple screws in, and well, there you go. So this will bolt into the original place. I now really hope that this will work. Oh well, we'll find out. We'll try it and see what happens. Check it out, guys. We have a complete upgrade. Look at this. Electric wipers. It even has a weird intermittent thing. I don't know what that was about. If we go, I click that one to high, it will do a couple swipes, it'll park, and then like in a couple minutes it'll go again. I don't know. It's whatever GM's rear wiper thing was. But hey, that's an awesome upgrade. Unfortunately, my button doesn't work, so I got to use this modern looking thing. I'll have to modify the other button to be able to screw onto there, so we'll get around to that yet. But awesome. So we are good till, I guess, summer, when I got to pull the transmission apart. Right now, I'll just keep dumping a little bit of oil in there, because that's the easiest thing to do. But yeah. Oh, I am happy. That's awesome. Good to go. We found us a nice little toolbox. I gotta space it up or something. It's got some weird little supports under it, but that's nice. Much nice. Look at that, eh? Awesome. All right. Well, I guess that's it. We can throw this one out. Now I've been distracted long enough. We'll do some more work on here.